Are you looking for the best dashcams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dashcams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dashcam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all 3 cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1920 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low-light conditions. The N4's integrated screen features a picture-in-picture mode that displays all 3 cameras' feeds simultaneously, along with settings and recording modes. It offers low frame rate and low bitrate recording modes, but we found these can drain the car battery. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. A 128GB micro SD card holds about 6.7 hours of footage. We picked the Vantrue N4 as our best overall dashcam mainly because of its value. It's a strong competitor at a great price, with 3 cameras and lots of features, and it came in only slightly behind our top pick in image quality. Video quality was impressive across various light conditions, with good dynamic range and minimal noise reduction. Number 2. Cobra SC 400D. As far as pure visual performance, the Cobra SC 400D was the best dashcam we tested thanks to its 4K resolution. We agreed that its video footage genuinely looked the best too. We found the touchscreen to be easy to operate and responsive, and the Cobra uses its proprietary Drive Smarter app to provide police alerts and other driver reports. If we had one minor grumble, it would be that the mount only swivels forward and backward, not side to side. However, the wide angle of the lens practically eliminates the need to do so. The Cobra secures to the windshield via a large sticky pad for the mount and a very strong magnet for the camera itself. Of course, this kind of quality and sheer amount of features add up in cost, but if you're serious about purchasing a dashcam, we love this one. Number 3. Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dashcam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rearview mirror if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set-and-forget dashcam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dash cam. Number 4. Escort MAXcam 360C. The MAXcam 360C primarily serves as a radar detector with a secondary dashcam function. It isn't ideal for those seeking only a dashcam. But for anyone wanting a radar detector with a competent camera to boot, it's a great choice. The dashcam boasts a 2560 by 1440 resolution with a Sony Starvis image sensor that captures 30 frames per second and offers a 143-degree field of view. The video quality is contrasty, with noticeable noise reduction and compression that significantly impacts image quality. We found the MAXcam 360C performed well in low-light conditions, although finer details became blurry. It clearly captured license plates up to 10 feet away under ideal conditions, but beyond that, its clarity is a miss, even in the most ideal conditions. This product isn't suitable for everyone due to its high cost and the complexity of using a radar scanner. But if you're looking for a radar detector as well as a dashcam and want to kill both birds with one stone, this Escort fits the bill. Number 5. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam is an excellent entry-level dashcam. With a reasonable price tag, it boasts the standard features you'd expect to find, like Parking Guardian and G-sensor collision detection, and advanced features like GPS connectivity for data overlay. Another unique option is that the app can generate an insurance incident report aligning with footage and handy GPS coordinates. Different models of the Beam come with different SD card sizes. In our case, we purchased the 32GB option. However, one nice feature of the Nexar is that it offers unlimited cloud storage for all G-sensor locked data, meaning all collisions will always be stored and accessible on the cloud, which can be particularly crucial after an incident or even months after the fact.